Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson HD01. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Today, we're addressing a common issue where your Dyson HD01 won't turn on. This can be frustrating, especially when you rely on it for cleaning. The problem often arises due to a faulty cable or a malfunctioning switch. If left unattended, it could lead to further damage, making the repair more complicated. To carry out this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement cable suitable for the Dyson HD01, and some electrical tape. First, ensure that your Dyson is unplugged for safety before you begin. Start by carefully removing the screws at the base of the handle using your Phillips screwdriver. Once the screws are out, gently lift the handle to expose the internal components. Be cautious as there might be wires connected that could be delicate. Next, you'll want to locate the power cable. It usually runs from the base of the vacuum up into the handle. Check for any visible signs of damage, such as fraying or breaks. If you can see the issue, take note of how it connects to the internal circuit board. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, to remove the damaged cable, carefully disconnect it from the circuit board. This may require gently prying it loose with your flathead screwdriver. Once it's free, you can now replace it with the new cable. Make sure to connect it in the same configuration as the old one. Secure the connections with electrical tape to prevent any loose wires. After replacing the cable, it's time to reassemble your Dyson. Carefully place the handle back in position and replace the screws to secure it. Ensure everything is tight, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could strip the screws or damage the plastic. Once the screws are in place, plug your Dyson back in and test it. If it powers on, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your device. To prevent this issue from arising again, make sure to avoid pulling on the cable excessively and store the vacuum in a safe place where it won't be at risk of damage. Regularly check the cable for any signs of wear and tear. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.